They say that we must make sure that there is enough food and plant matter for them in the new garden.
Oh, I almost forgot. We better get back fast and set up. You guys go. Nature Cat and I will bring the worms back.
We will.
See you guys back at the garden. Come on, Nature Cat. We gotta get these little guys back to the yard. Oh, perfect.
Great job, Squeaks.
You too, Nature Cat.
Hey, Squeaks. These guys aren't looking so good.
Well, what do you mean?
I mean, not that worms are a sight to behold anyway, but look. They aren't as shiny as they were before.
Yeah, and they're not wiggling as much.
A sluggish worm simply will not do for Daisy's garden.
What kind of dry?
Maybe worms go underground because it's damp there, and that way they won't dry out in the sun.
They need some damp soil. We saved them.
Haha, yes, indeedy. Now we've got to get these worms to their new home. Tally ha! Haha, nothing can stop us now. Ugh. Not on my watch, birds. Follow me. There, little worm. You're safe now.
We got the worms! Yes!
Wee! What is this? Nature Cat did what? Saved you all? Twice?
Well,
No.
worms are important and kinda cute.
Well, the garden's ready for them.
Welcome home, you guys. Bye, Jesse,
To the
and
bed-
Francis, and Brad, and Linda. Don't forget to ride, and remember to eat your veggies.
Phew.
Sorry. They just grow up so fast. And a special thanks to Zoom.
So I'm power.
Hey, where'd he go?
Oh, hey guys. What did I miss today? Hey, look, worms. Where did they come from?
The wink. The wink.